Ladies and gentlemen, this video is dedicated to help you fix the problem called your browser is managed by your organization. This is the typical problem that many customers experience. Well, sometimes the browser is indeed managed by a certain organization that may control the activities of its employees, but often some adware distributors or the developers of browser hijackers manipulate this function, so they may force this message to come up in the settings. So when we go to the browser settings, we have this alert saying that your browser is managed by your organization, and I'll demonstrate to you some side effects I'm experiencing. So whenever I open the new tab, I see this strange safe finder provided by Yahoo Search, and no matter how many tabs are opened, the same safe finder comes up. Obviously, that's the problem. Another problem is that I may try to get rid of some suspicious extensions by going to more tools and choosing extensions, but the extensions might be deleted like that and removed, and then going back to the settings, I still see this message that the browser is managed by your organization, even though I do not have any particular organization that could manage my browser. So obviously there is some problem in the computer that needs to be fixed.